Add web links to the lore using Easy Upload. Select Link and copy and paste the URL, or simply drag and drop a web link into the drop zone. The system will load the website and automatically fill in the title and description if available. Adjust these if needed and enter a description if the site does not have one. Choose the media type that best represents the content of the website in the drop-down to determine which search results tab the link can be found in. Enter a grade range and select a school sharing option. Expand the Advanced section for more options. As with all uploaded content, adding detailed metadata will help others to find the web link within the lore, but completing all fields is not necessary, and you can always edit the metadata after saving. Once finished, save, or save and correlate the link to relevant academic standards. Chrome browser users also have the option to install a Safari Montage extension to add any web link to the lore directly from the web page itself. It's as simple as clicking the extension, reviewing and adding basic metadata, and saving. Once saved, either add advanced metadata or view in Safari Montage.